what's the future of gaming, Carly? We've got faster and faster processors, more and
Yeah.
more data can be stored, more and more people are connected on the internet and playing video games with each other. What's going to happen next? What's exciting?
Yeah. I've got a lot of guesses about this that are just founded in what I like to play personally and what I like to do.
Mhm. More
And
destruction.
yeah, if I had to take a guess, it'd be things that
You'll
get
be
blown up better.
oh, so something that used to drive me crazy in the few moments where like I would get bored and finally like start blowing stuff up in Grand Theft Auto. There's like so many kinds of structures that don't get blown up. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like, and that's disappointing. So you're saying that maybe in the future everything will have real physics.
What's interesting is that idea of persistence is really like plaguing to like how you would build a game. Like let's say we're in a place that has snow and we're walking. How long do you let our footsteps persist in the snow? Like decisions
Mm.
like that will add to the overhead of the game.
Mhm.
How persistent is the world for everyone involved? Do you see my
Mhm.
footsteps as well? Or is it just
Mm.
on my PC that I see them? Like those kind of
Mm.
design decisions add latency and overhead and
Right.
all the kind of things that you try to minimize. And so,
Right.
yeah, you're constantly looking for things like that are like make it cool and realistic, but also don't like blow up, the footprint of the game.
Wow. Physics being real. Yeah, that'd be super cool. Persistence, that's super important. Okay, but those don't sound
Like
those
the
don't sound
future of
super
gaming.
those don't sound
The
super
future of
exciting on
gaming
their
is
own.
everyone's footsteps are always there. You heard it
Yeah.
here first, folks.
Wow.
No, I'd say that. So for me as a player, like that is part of the fun though. It's like, how many people can we get in the same experience? How many people can we
Right.
really have doing the same thing at once? So to me, I see the future of gaming as games getting even bigger, the experience getting even more and more like across different people, across different countries, bringing more people together. I also see the future as being a place where different people play games than maybe they do now. Part of my content strategy on LinkedIn has always been to speak to people who maybe don't see themselves in a game dev role, or maybe don't see themselves reflected in the standard like characters in a video game, right? Because it's traditionally
Mm.
been this male dominated field.
Mhm.
And I think
Mhm.
the future of gaming is democratizing that more. Like we're
Mm.
seeing different people playing video games than maybe we thought. Um, we're seeing mobile gaming becoming like this exploding into the scene. It's always been big, but I think the future of mobile games is getting even bigger as our phones get more and more capable. Um, and so I think there's a lot of interesting, exciting areas where this is just going to keep growing. And now video gaming, it's a bigger industry than Hollywood and the music industry combined. And so like the
Yeah.
potential is unlimited.